got another one of these Mercedes in. I think it's Mercedes week. Blue Tech S350. I think it was an E350 I did yesterday. It's got a light coming up. Well, I'm scanning it at the moment, but I think it is an emission light. I think it is. Let's have a look. What's that we got there? Yeah, I've got a few going on there. Yeah, I know what that is. That's why it's here. I mean, it's going to have a 90-minute clean, this. They all rave on about in 30 minutes and an hour, but I'm doing them here myself, and I've experimented with this machine on my own cars, and the diesels with issues is a 90-minute clean with a driving regen totally transforms the motor, and usually so far fixed all the issues with it to do with emissions, and even yeah, so we're going to let that run, get our light out, and get us some feedback off the guy once it's done.